What's up, mi gente? Louie the Boiler Man here. Guys, we're here in Rockville Center, New York. We're actually replacing a condensing fan motor, as you guys can see. I should have posted the prior video, but the whole point is, I got here, I turned on the thermostat, put in the cooling mode, I look outside, the compressor's on, but the blower motor, or should I say the fan condenser motor, is not turning on. So I checked it out. Sure enough, it was bad, and we had to replace the motor. So we installed the motor. I want to show you which type of motor it is because guys don't understand. So in this particular motor, originally it was 112 horsepower, but this one's a little stronger, but the RPMs are the same, 1075, the voltage is the same. You always got to check the voltage for horsepower and the RPMs. This is a little bit bigger than the original OEM. That's what they had, but it works. Another thing I want to give you guys a hint is, this is a 42 frame motor. You have also regular motor, which is a 48 frame. All that means is one is just a little bit bigger. So in this particular motor, it gives you an adapter. I didn't have to use it, but it gives you an adapter. You can put the screws anywhere you want. Basically just sets the screws where you want it to, so you can hook it up to the actual top of the the cover. So you can see this in the secondary hole. So if it was a 48 frame motor, you could use the secondary hole. Since it's a 42, it's a little smaller, we use the original holes. So just a little FYI. So in case you come to a job, you come across a job that it's a small motor, a little baby motor, and it's a 42 frame, and you only have a 48 frame motor, you can use it. So guys, stay tuned. It's just another day with Louie the Boiler Man. Weppa!